I'm Mike Rattery, Product Manager at Anderson-Negele. Today I'll be showcasing our non-hygienic flow portfolio, the Nutating disc, the Smart PD, and the force meter. So non-hygienic flow meters are great for CIP, SIP, and utility monitoring. We often see these hygienic flow meters in boiler feeder lines as well as CIP skids, especially when you need precise measurement to support a hygienic process. Non-hygienic flow fits the perfect gap between hygienic performance and industrial design. The main difference is intent and design. So our hygienic flow meters are 3A and FDA compliant. They are designed to be product contact. Now our non-hygienic flow lineup is supposed to be for larger scale wastewater plants. They contain materials such as carbon steel, stainless steel, and bronze, and they're built for handle high pressure, extreme temperature environments. So although that they are not directly in a dairy or beer skid, they are more upstream and a perfect alternative to our hygienic flow meters. So these non-hygienic flow models are surprisingly accurate. Depending on the flow model that you select, they can be from 0.5% up to 1.5%, with repeatability as tight as a quarter. For utility and batching, this is a type of precise measurement that you don't see anywhere else. For most utility and batching, making it a great alternative to non-hygienic flow meters. The maintenance for a non-hygienic flow model is extremely easy. And while this is not a direct contact in food, it can still be washed, rinsed, and steamed as part of general utility maintenance. It's a great fit where ease of cleaning matters, but hygienic certification is not necessary. Installation for non-hygienic flow meters is pretty straightforward. So these hygienic flow meters use wafered style, threaded, or flange connections, making them perfect for drop-in replacements. There's no need for long straight line pipes because the Smart PD and the Nutating disc are perfect for small, tight quarters without losing accuracy.